Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power, turn off the HVAC breaker, and verify the thermostat screen goes dark. Next, photograph the wiring so you have a visual reference, then label each conductor R, W, Y, G, C. This prevents mistakes when moving wires to the Nest base. Once done, remove the old faceplate carefully and detach the wires, keeping their insulation intact. Make sure you note whether a C wire exists, because Nest needs reliable 24V power or an alternative power adapter. Now you attach the Nest base to the wall, position and level it, then secure with screws and anchors for a solid mount. Feed each labeled wire into its corresponding Nest connector. Push until you feel the pin clamp. This is critical because loose connections cause intermittent control. Once wired, tuck excess cable into the wall gently, avoid kinks, and isolate any exposed copper. Finally, snap the Nest display onto the base so contacts engage. This readies the unit for power-up and setup. With the display attached, switch the breaker back on and watch the Nest boot sequence. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect Wi-Fi and select HVAC settings. Then, run manual heat and cool commands to verify relays and stage transitions. Expect visible system response within a few minutes, and listen for furnace or compressor engagement. If something fails, make sure to recheck the C wire seating and breaker. As a troubleshooting step, flip the breaker off and on. Then reseat the wires if Nest reports no power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.